Welcome back to the Harris Battery Lithium Renewable Energy training episodes. Where we left off the last time was talking about the different systems that we have available. Today we want to dive into the components of the system. Now, Mo, last week I know that you talked about the inverter and some of the different components such as the gateway and the router. Do you want to dive a little bit more into those and explain them?
Yes, thank you. Yes, what we have here on this setup here, we have the Connex XW. Like I said on the previous video, we align ourselves with Snyder because we like this configuration in our lab here. We do all the discharge and charging tests on here using this configuration here. In this configuration, we have a Connex gateway, a system control panel, and a battery monitor. This Connex gateway allows us to remotely access the battery pack when we are home or in our offices. We can remotely access the battery pack, see what's going on it. At the same time here, we have our wireless router. This is just a typical router from your house, you would have in your house, that we connected to the battery pack here through a Cat5 cable, and then that sends the wireless signals to our computer, which we can pull all the information on from the battery using our user interface. That user interface tells you all the capacity like we went over on the last video we did. And then also we can connect this wireless router to our multi-stack controller. That multi-stack controller allows us to stack up to 36 packs of the same capacity, the same voltage together.
So what I've noticed here in our system here in our lab, you have them stacked two different ways. You have this one upright and you have this one positioned on its side. Why are they this way?
Yes, this is this way, Denise, for better for space management purposes. When you look at this pack, it's wide and this is thinner here. So for space management, we just recommend you can mount this on the wall this way, or you can lay it flat if you have enough space. But if you have your basement, you don't have plenty of space there, you can just directly mount it underneath the inverter, and it's going to be directly under the, so you don't have any tip hazard going on.
So basically, if what Mo's referring to is if you're with confined spaces, such as maybe you have your system in a cabin or a remote area, you're able to fit those in whatever configuration. As he mentioned, this is our recommended system that we do have in-house. Our team of engineering and battery experts would be able to assist you to pick the right system. Next week, we'll dive into the interface system and the communication. Please stay tuned for more episodes. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out by calling us at 1-800-367-760 or reaching out to us on our website for more information, www.harrisbattery.com. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.
Thank you.